Summer nights are simply perfect for spending time outdoors, but nobody likes bumbling around in the dark. Installing garden lights means you can spend more time outside in your garden and really enjoy our warm summer nights. With these lights, you can create unique lighting effects with shadows and textures in your garden, increase safety and highlight features with a well-placed spotlight. Although this may sound complex and time-consuming, with the right system, it can actually be quite simple and easy to achieve. Holman's plug and socket system, combined with 12 volts, makes the light safe and simple to install without the need for an electrician, which has always been a bit of a stumbling block for the home gardener. The plug and socket system is super easy to use, waterproof, and it doesn't need any specialist tools. Easy. Once installed, the entire system can be simply and easily managed via the Holman Wi-Fi controller using the Holman Home app from your smartphone or tablet. This is so much easier than needing to turn an awkwardly positioned power point on or off. You can do it while sitting on your lounge. So easy. Set up timers, adjust the colour and intensity, or set up smart automations all through the Holman Home app. I like to automate the lights to turn on just as it gets dark. These white lights add the classic traditional look of garden lighting, while the Holman range also include the colourful RGB range. Operating the system via an app adds flexibility, precision, as well as ease of use. Each controller has the capacity to manage up to 60 watts of lights. Mix and match spotlights, path lights and deck lights to create a complete system that complements your garden. The RGB and warm white systems do need to be set up separately, but again, this is very straightforward. The Holman app is even compatible with Google Home, Siri and Alexa, so operating your garden lights couldn't be easier. Garden lighting is a great investment for any garden and will add a whole new dynamic. It's almost like two gardens in one, a daytime garden and a stunning and enticing nighttime garden.